What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about my top gold and silver mining stocks, among other stocks in this episode of Garbage and Gold for your market minutes. So this video will be your market minutes, your weekly recap. It's Friday, along with a special segment, Garbage and Gold. It's a lightning round where we go over a bunch of different stocks, some good, some bad, and I'll give you guys my opinion, and then we either throw it in the garbage or in the gold. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into it, as I've got a bunch of stuff I want to talk to you about. So last but not least, if you support me, the channel and all the videos, then I kindly ask for two things. That first thing is to, of course, explode that like button. It's Friday, guys. Just hit that like button. It's Friday, guys. Just hit that like button. I appreciate it so much, and it helps my videos a lot. Along with, if you are a new viewer to the channel, you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, we appreciate constant, steady updates in the markets, a steady flow of new and exciting companies. You want to have some fun and learn about investing, then of course don't forget to catch that subscribe button and ring the market bell for notifications. And let's get straight into comment of the day. So this is how it's going to work today, guys. We're going to do comment of the day. We're going to give you guys a quick idea of what's going on in the markets, and then it's going to be bam, straight into garbage and gold. So thanks for all the awesome comments yesterday, guys. First comment today goes to Masonic Kid. Red days are my buy days, and that's a really good motto to have. Garrick, love the sector, great content, buddy, and I'm trying to switch it up. I knew that my renewable energy video wouldn't get as many views as, let's say, a gold and silver video, but I still wanted to do it because, like I said, I wanted to switch up the content. And if you didn't get a chance, check it out. I made a video yesterday, my top 3 renewable energy stocks. So talk about 3 interesting companies. That also brings us to our next point. I quickly wanted to say that we did, in fact, drop a new CEO interview with the CEO of Extra Gold, James Longshore, on what the company's been up to, their drill program. Things are looking pretty good. The stock is in the green today, so check that out. And I seem to be forgetting so much because it's Friday, and I guess I'm just so excited to get ready to enjoy the weekend. But in the comments below now, I want you guys to go drop some comments, and of these stocks that are talked about in this video, what are your 3 least favorite stocks, or whatever? Give me your 3 stocks that you think are absolute garbage, absolute trash, or whatever you want to call it, just as I want to hear the companies that you guys are bearish on. So let's say, for example, you're a short seller and you want to short 3 stocks. What would those 3 stocks be? Drop those below in the comments, and I'll wait for you guys. It's a nice day. Might have to take a nap. Alright, guys, we're back. So Black Vito, next comment of the day. Red days on the market are healthy, and I agree with that totally. Ian McLeod, nice to have you back here, buddy. Good video. Keep it up, my friend. Tapper Light, always looking for that classic signature. Always looking for that signature. And Masonic Kid, liking the diversity we're seeing. I'm happy that you guys appreciate those videos. Next comment day goes to H. DeVerd. I'm very optimistic about renewable energy in general, and Reggie and CSIQ are already on my watch list. Looking to find some time to do more research on them before I know if it's a fit for me. Bloomberg sparked my interest, but from your quick overview, it looks like an intermediate step in the energy transition as it still uses fossil fuels. My third one would be Enphase, but also need to learn more before investing. Luckily, the markets are not rocketing at the moment, and I have got a position in Tesla, which is already a startup of sorts in the renewable energy sector. So Reggie with their biofuels won't be an odd one out, operating in a different category of the renewable energy sector as the others. Thanks for your videos, insight, and level-headed as always. So thanks a lot for that awesome comment. And like I said, this topic's not as popular, but I am trying to offer that diversity instead of just talking about the same thing, gold, silver, every single day. As much as we love gold and silver, I do want to switch it up. Kai Turnup Milla, come on, brother, at least one video on Tesla battery day. LOL, if you don't mind, Aaron, you're the man. So we'll see if we can get around to that. I will add some more coverage on Tesla, but anyways. So we're a couple minutes in now, guys, and we have to take a look at MINDMED. MINDMED is up 10.22% on no new news, and I couldn't figure it out. But I'm happy to say that MINDMED is back in the green. It looks like it held support in the mid 40s, and hopefully we can get above 50 and stay there this time, because if we look at the 6-month chart, maybe more specifically, we can pull this chart up and zoom in a little bit. We've hit 50 cents, 50, 51 cents multiple times, tested it, pulled back, tested it, pulled back. Now we're looking to find some support, like I said, in the mid 40s. Hopefully we can get back above 50. That's where I would like to see. Just as the majority of my shares are right in and around 50, so still I'm technically down on it. So let's see what's going on Wall Street, and it is another red day. The Nasdaq leading the way down. Dow slips on big tech wobble. Financials cut gains. The Dow struggled for direction Friday as investors had to contend with another sell-off in big tech, while financials also cut gains ahead of what is expected to be a volatile bout of trading into the close. So guys, that brings us to the next point in this video. If you've made it this far, thank you. And if you want to get to a specific point in the video, use the timestamps. They're right there in the description of every single video. You'll see them right there, so don't forget to use them if you don't like the rest of this video, or you're not here for the market recap. Maybe you want to just get straight to the companies. But we're seeing the Nasdaq pull back the most today. And like I said, I think just a ballpark estimate, we could fall maybe to 10,000, see if we hold 10,000, and then see where it goes from there. But the markets are definitely pulling back, although I don't mind this slow, steady, gradual pullback. It's not bad. Gold is getting that safe haven bid today, however, up 12 bucks per ounce to 1962, up 0.62%. So the strength in gold is looking very promising, and silver is essentially neutral, up just 3 cents or 0.12%. So gold and silver both having a decent day, especially on a red day in the markets. So now we're going to get straight into garbage and gold, and hit me with that first company. All right, guys, first company. What do we got here? Air Canada. It's a great airline, but I don't like the airline industry, so it's going straight into the garbage.
Why don't you like the airline industry?
Because no one's flying right now. No one's flying plane. Not many people are traveling. Curaleaf. Curaleaf is actually one of my top MJ stocks for this year. The MSOs seem to be way outperforming the Canadian MJ stocks, so actually sold a bit of ACV and bought some Curaleaf, and it's done much, much better. So straight to the gold. Whoa. What is their next company? Ralph Lauren. Oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite clothing brands, but unfortunately retail has been suffering, so sorry Ralph Lauren, straight to the garbage. Next company we've got here is Ford. I like their trucks, but fierce competition in the market, and electric vehicles on the horizon. Tesla dominating, so straight to the garbage. Amazon. We can't argue that Amazon's been dominating, and they're going to keep making money, so straight to the gold, even though they're pricey.
What's the last thing you bought on Amazon?
Shoot, what is the last thing I bought? I bought a weighted vest for working out. It's 80 pounds, pretty heavy. Okay, Hertz. Oh my gosh, who's renting cars right now? Who's traveling? Who went bankrupt? Straight to the garbage. Tesla. We can't fight the money, so I mean, geez. This is the first time, even though the valuation's dramatically increased, I'm still gonna put it into the gold right now, at least. Diamond offshore drilling. Well, I'm not really I don't really like energy stocks that much anymore, and I don't know how much oil exploration is going to be going on right now, so sorry guys. It's one of the worst performing stocks. Go straight to the garbage. Next company, guys. What is this? Enron. Straight to the garbage. What do we got here? Golden Goliath. Well, we just did an interview with them this week, and I'm really excited for their drill results, and they've started their drill program. We've got some drills turning away there in Red Lake, so straight to the gold. Dun, 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 dun. Extra Gold. Oh, we just put out an interview today on Extra Gold. they've got some really awesome results so far, and the best could be potentially on the way. So extra gold, straight to the gold. What is this one? MINDMED. Supported the company for a long time since their IPO. Now there are some variables that we need to take into account. Clinical trials take a long time, but if they can get some of those clinical trials passed, I think it will be a very successful company. Be cautious, but straight to the gold. Oh man, if you asked me this question 2 years ago, I'd say, holy, this is a gold mine. But Aurora MJ, or ticker symbol ACB, they wrote the goodwill off. They got the new CEO. The stock keeps on tanking, and they need to get profitable. So right now, they're in the garbage until they find the gold. Next company, Groupon. I don't know, stock tanked, and I don't really like their business model. So unfortunately, Groupon's going straight to the garbage. Next company, United Airlines. Well, same thing goes for Air Canada. I mean, I prefer Air Canada over United Airlines. So straight to the garbage.
Are you planning to travel anywhere?
I'd like to go to Hawaii, but we'll see if that happens. We'll see if that happens this winter. Norwegian Cruise Lines. So many travel-related businesses. I'm not a big fan of the travel industry right now. I think it will recover maybe in 2 years, but straight to the garbage. I'd rather invest in a company making money now, or one that's going to make a lot more in the future. Fosterville South Exploration. Well, Fosterville, we need to do an update on the company actually. See if we can get Brian back on. But for now, I think the shares were a good deal. Under 3, we nibbled away at it, and so far it's been performing a bit better. And they've got that Leviathan Gold Spin Co. in October, so straight to the gold. Dun, 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 dun. What stock is this? Fortuna Silver Mines finally hit $10, and they got that Lindero Gold project coming online in early 2021, so straight to the gold. What do we got here? Can't open this one. Come on. Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, my newest utility co that I found, and it's the only stock in the green today. One of the only stocks in the green today of the dividend sector, so straight to the gold. It's very defensive. Last one. Is this the last company? Kirkland Lake Gold. High grade gold, safe mining jurisdictions, gold bull market, straight to the gold. Alright guys, last but not least, before we wrap up this video, we got to take a quick look at the charts here and see what's going on Wall Street. And we are seeing EGF, TheraMed, Ignite, and MindMed, 3 biggest gainers in the MJ sector. Biggest losers, Oxley, MedMen, Sundial, and ACB. ACB down 6.46% again. Will this thing ever stop falling? Geez, it's been pretty brutal. Now, in terms of the dividend stocks, let's see what's going on Dividend Street. Not too much red except for Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, that utility company. They're seeing some nice green yet again, up to 63.50, and Savary Corporation up 0.79%. XUT, National Bank, and Ryokan, 3 biggest losers on the day. Let's see what's going on for the gold and silver stocks, and it's a much better day. Mixed day, Kinross hitting fresh 52-week highs, up 9.3%. Now, Kinross started paying a dividend today. It's the first time in 7 years, thanks to my dad. Sent me that article. So big ups to Kinross. K92, Endeavor, and Agnico Eagle, 3 biggest losers on the day. Although Agnico Eagle and Endeavor losing just 1 to 2%, so not too bad of a day. And then in terms of tech stocks, we are seeing the tech sell-off continue with Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft, 3 biggest losers. And of our broader 2020 watch list, we are seeing Kinross, Tesla, and Moderna, 3 biggest gainers, and Beyond Meat, Carnival, and Air Canada, 3 biggest losers. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.